Hello guys, welcome to the Bongó channel. I am Raúl. This is Sara. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to the Bongó channel. I am Raúl.
This is Sara.
Today we're gonna teach you 5 basic beginner steps in salsa. This is the most important beginner steps in salsa, so keep it on. Vamos a hacerlo. Okay, so the first steps that we're gonna do is our basic step. We're going in salsa 1. So it's important that we start with left and the girl starts with right. We're gonna go like always breaking our center in the basic. So in the salsa we have 8 times. In that 8 times, in the time number 1, that's why it's called salsa 1. We're gonna do basic, the men with left in the front and the ladies right back. 1. Okay? So if I do it in the side, it will look 1. Okay? So we start 1, we step in the center in the right position, 2, and we go in our 3, 3. Remember always to change your weight so you don't have this intention just to step, but you have to change the entire weight when you're dancing. So we have 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, and 3. That's how it should look. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. My weight is in my left and ladies' weight is in the right. I do a pause in number 4, and I wait that number 4, and I go 5, 6, and 7. Again, we are with our left and right, the ladies, and we go 5, center and 6, and center and 7, and time number 8 is a pause, so we go again to our basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna do it in front. We always want that the girl has this 90 degrees intention when we are dancing, and we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We go to our second step. This is side to side. It's the same step going forward, back and forth, but in this we're going side to side. Always, men, we start with left and girls with right. We go 5, 6, 7, and 1, right, we change the weight, 2 in the center, 3 in the center, 4 we do a pause, 5 and out, 6 in the center, and 7 and 8 we do a pause. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we're doing partners, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Today we're gonna have only our open position, so it's not that difficult. We go to our third one. This is cumbia step, we call it. This is really popular in salsa and in other dances too, but we call it cubano too. So today is cubano. We go with our 1, we go with an entire weight diagonal back, so our torso looks diagonal. Then in the center we go 2, and then we step again in 3 in center. Time number 4 is a pause, and then we go 5, 6, 7, and we repeat again. 1, we step in the center in 2, we go in the center in 3. We go 5, we step in the center in 6, we step in the center in 7, and we go to our basics. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? It's the same here. 1, 2, and we separate in the number 1 because our torsos go open. So when they are open, we return to the center. 5, 6, 7, and return to the center. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We go to our number 4 basic step. This is cross. This is a little bit challenging, but not that much. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7. We open. 1, like side to side. Then the number 2, we're gonna step in the same line but a little bit back. Okay? In the time number 3, we change the weight and we stay in the pause number 4 and we repeat. 5, we open. 6, a little bit back, 7 in front. 8 is a pause, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. In basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, we are doing 5, 6, 7. 1, we open. 2, back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The last, the number 5 basic step, and this is maybe one of the most beautiful steps in salsa, so it's good that you are learning this in the start. This is called Susy Q, Susy Q, okay? So, we're gonna use our 1, we're gonna cross it right away in 1, 1. Remember to maintain the legs really closed, okay? So, we go 5, 6, 7, we cross. 1. We change the entire weight. In number 2, we hide that number 2. Okay? Back of my 1. And in number 3, I continue stepping. Okay? Now, in the time number 4, I got my feet to cross to do 5. I hide my number 6 and I cross again number 7. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So look, when we are doing Susy Q, it's really important that our hip stays in the front. The ladies, you can like turn a little bit, but not too much. If you do your hip right away to the side, it's not a Susy Q. You're only walking, okay? So try to keep it in front so you look more strong. So let's do it in front one time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5. Basic. 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If this video helped you, please subscribe and keep it on with our classes, okay? So, see you.
La vida es como un pasaje de una